In April of 2022, we performed our first carbon trapping trial. We picked up dry sticks from our yard, broke them into smaller pieces, and loaded them into this 1-quart Dutch oven which we used as a kiln. Chemical analysis revealed that half of this wood's mass is made up of carbon. We then covered the kiln with the lid to retard any further oxygen from entering and placed it on our solar cooker. This cooker reaches temperatures up to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see how it ignites this stick. You've heard the saying, where there's smoke, there's fire, but not this time. What you're seeing is the natural compounds inside the wood vaporizing as it transforms into charcoal. This close-up shows the volatile organics jetting out as smoke from the kiln. Look closely at the gap between the lid and the rim, and you can actually see tar condensing and dripping down the sides. At around the 3-hour mark, the smoke is easing up. That's how we know the charring is winding down and nearly done. After about 4 hours, the smoke is gone, the charring is done. We let it sit a bit longer just to be sure. If you look closely above the lid, you can see the shimmering distortions of hot air rising from the kiln. When the kiln cools, we open it to reveal the charcoal. It takes up much less space than the raw wood. All those volatile compounds have been released. Lab analysis shows it's now about 75% carbon, with 60% of the original carbon locked into this solid form. Put another way, a pound of dry twigs can permanently store about a pound of carbon dioxide. Want to join the Carbon Trap Project and start trapping carbon yourself? Follow us here and visit carbontrapproject.com.